Today I'm gonna fire up the Ninja FlexFlame and make a super simple recipe, but a recipe that maybe you didn't think to make outside, and that's pigs in a blanket. I love this recipe as an appetizer, party food, but I also love making it for breakfast because you're basically getting your bread, you're getting your meat, and then I like to add a little mustard. Those are the only ingredients that you need. Let's get started. This is just crescent rolls that you pop right out of the can, and you're gonna unroll it. The crescent rolls are already perforated. You can see it's got these lines on them that kind of break it up into triangles. Well, I want to make this even smaller, so I'm going to take just a really sharp paring knife and I'm going to cut each triangle in half so that instead of 4 triangles here, now I have 8. Then I'm going to just take some mustard and I'm going to spread it across all of it. It's easiest to do this if you don't actually separate the dough yet. You're just gonna start with all the dough together. And you don't have to be perfect about it. I don't really know the exact measurements. I'm just getting a really light coating of mustard on there. Then you take your little Smokies. These are those Hillshire Farms little Smokies. You put it on the thick end of your triangle and then you just roll it up. Little sealed, little cute crescent. And then you just put that on your baking sheet. Take another one. Again, start with the thick end and roll it so that that point is on top. Ta-da! We're just spacing these out evenly on my Ninja baking sheet here. While I'm preparing these inside, I've already turned on the Ninja FlexFlame outside to preheat. I went ahead and plugged it in, turned on the propane gas, turned it to ignite the burners, and then I set the function to the roast bake setting and the temperature to 375 degrees. Once we're done inside here, the grill should be preheated and ready for me to go ahead and bake these. 1 can of crescent rolls is going to make 16 pigs in a blanket, and 1 package of the little Smokies is enough to actually do 2 batches. So if you want to cook 2 batches at once, go ahead and buy 2 cans of the crescent rolls. Otherwise, you can make 1 batch with 1 can of crescent rolls and then save the rest of the little Smokies for some other dish that you want, or just eat them plain or grill them up by themselves, and those are delicious too. Here I've got my 16 all rolled up. Let's go take them out to the Ninja. That's it, guys. 10 to 12 minutes on the Ninja FlexFlame and they are done. They're perfectly golden brown, but still soft and tender like crescent rolls should be. I like serving them with ketchup and mustard, especially mustard. That's just my fave. So fun, easy, delicious, 3 ingredients, perfect appetizer, game day food, or breakfast on the go.